Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of Soundbomb 1. So these are wireless earbuds from the brand Zebronics, and the one I have with me are blue in color. So let's get started. So these are wireless earbuds. Soundbomb 1 is the name. You can see the Zebronics branding here. You can see the product image here and the amazing features that it has. You can give voice assistant, you can give voice commands, and there is this touch function. You just have to press it in order to take your calls or to reject your calls, to activate Bluetooth. Plus, Bluetooth is 5.0. That means you can easily connect your Android or iPhone with this wireless earbuds. That you get is Type-C charging, and plus it has portable charging case. That means you can carry this wherever you want. You can keep it in your bag. It's very small and compact in design, and it is splash proof. It is very important. And other features, call function is there. You get up to 12 hours playback time, and the driver size is 6 mm. The other color options that are available are black. There is this orange, green and grey, but the one I have with me is blue in color. So now let's open the box. So this is the charging case. There is one extra strap you can see, or you can say a tag to hold this. So it's again very cute, very useful. You can see the blue color charging case, and if I open this, and these are the wireless earbuds. Again you can see it's all blue in color. So this is the charging case. Along with the earbud, you get a 6 mm driver size here. There is one touch function. That means you just have to press it in order to take your calls or to reject your calls, to activate voice assistant. And here you can see these LED indicators, which indicates how much battery is there, how much battery is left. And how do you charge this? Here you have to put the charging cable. You also get the charging cable inside the box. So how you have to charge this? You have to put it here, and then you have to put the other end into your laptop or your adapter, however you are charging this. So you get the charging cable, you get the charging case, you get some extra silicone ear cups just in case you're not okay with the size in these earbuds. You can change them, or they get lost here and there, then also you can use this. And you also get a user manual which talks about all the features, how to charge this, how much time will it take to charge. Like it says, the charging time for the earphone is 45 minutes and the talk time that you get is around 2 to 3 hours. So this is the user manual. So this was it in the unboxing video of Soundbomb 1 from the brand Zebronics. These are blue in color. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.